Introduction. Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, the channel dedicated to everything two wheels, from the latest superbikes to classic cruisers. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that combines German engineering precision with futuristic design, the 2025 BMW R1300 Titan. This motorcycle isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold leap into the next generation of performance, technology, and rider experience. A new era for BMW motorcycles. The BMW R series has always stood at the top when it comes to long-distance touring, reliability, and rider-focused engineering. But the R1300 Titan pushes that legacy further, blending raw power with cutting-edge electronics and premium luxury. The Titan isn't just built for performance, it's built to redefine what a sport touring motorcycle should feel like in 2025. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 BMW R1300 Titan is a completely re-engineered 1,300 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, boxer twin engine. This powerhouse generates an estimated 152 horsepower and 145 newton-meters of torque, offering smooth acceleration across all gears. The Titan accelerates with authority, delivering both thrilling top-end speed and strong low-end torque for long-distance cruising. BMW has also refined the shift cam technology, allowing variable valve timing to optimize fuel efficiency while maintaining explosive power when the throttle is twisted. The ride is effortless at cruising speeds, yet aggressive when pushed to the limits. Advanced transmission and ride dynamics. The 6-speed gearbox comes with seamless quick-shift functionality, reducing lag and ensuring smooth transitions between gears. Riders also benefit from an electronically adjustable final drive system, designed to deliver better traction and more consistent performance. The Titan features BMW's dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, which automatically adapts damping and preload based on road conditions, rider load, and riding style. Whether on mountain twisties or long highways, the suspension keeps the motorcycle balanced, comfortable, and responsive. Design and styling. A Titan on two wheels. BMW designed the R1300 Titan with the perfect blend of futuristic aggression and touring comfort. The bold fuel tank, sculpted side panels, and aerodynamic fairing give it a commanding road presence. Sleek LED matrix headlights provide sharp illumination with adaptive cornering, ensuring maximum visibility at night. The Titan's bodywork integrates aerodynamic wings that not only enhance stability at high speeds but also add to its muscular profile. Every angle of this motorcycle communicates power, confidence, and elegance. Technology and rider assistance. BMW never disappoints when it comes to innovation, and the Titan raises the bar with a host of rider-focused technologies. The 12.3-inch full-color TFT display dominates the cockpit, offering customizable layouts for navigation, performance data, and connectivity features. The Titan also integrates BMW's Connected Ride system, providing real-time traffic updates, GPS mapping, and seamless smartphone connectivity. Voice commands, music control, and helmet-to-helmet communication are fully supported. Safety and assistance features include Dynamic Traction Control, DTC, for precise handling on slippery surfaces. ABS Pro with cornering function for optimal braking stability. Adaptive Cruise Control with radar sensors, perfect for long-distance touring. Blind spot detection and lane change alerts for extra rider confidence. Comfort and ergonomics. The R1300 Titan is designed not just for speed but for endurance. The ergonomics are rider-friendly with an adjustable seat height, wide handlebars, and optimized footpeg placement. Long-distance comfort is enhanced by heated grips and seats, an electronically adjustable windscreen, and generous passenger accommodations. The saddle is sculpted for both rider and pillion, ensuring fatigue-free journeys. BMW also offers optional touring luggage systems, seamlessly integrated into the bike's frame for stability without sacrificing style. Braking and safety confidence. Stopping power is just as crucial as acceleration, and the Titan is equipped with dual 320mm front discs with radial-mounted calipers and a rear 276mm disc, paired with BMW's advanced braking electronics. The engine braking control system ensures smooth deceleration, while hill start assist makes climbing steep roads effortless. Combined with its traction and stability systems, the R1300 Titan offers riders unmatched confidence. Touring capability, the long-distance warrior. The 2025 BMW R1300 Titan isn't limited to short thrill rides. It's built for serious touring. With a 6.8-gallon fuel tank, riders can cover extended distances without constant refueling. The aerodynamic design minimizes wind fatigue, and the suspension soaks up uneven roads with ease. Optional features like integrated panniers, top case mounts, and GPS-controlled ride planning make it a perfect choice for riders who dream of crossing countries on two wheels. Sound and character. The exhaust system on the Titan is tuned not only for performance but also for character. The titanium exhaust with active valve control produces a deep, resonant note at idle and a thunderous roar when the revs climb. It's not overly aggressive, but it delivers the kind of refined growl you'd expect from a BMW flagship. Customization and variants. BMW offers the R1300 Titan in multiple trims and finishes. From the standard touring package to the premium sport variant, riders can choose options that suit their style. Color schemes include Shadow Black, Titan Silver, and Racing Blue, with exclusive limited edition finishes available for collectors. Additional accessories include performance exhausts, carbon fiber accents, advanced radar systems, and electronically adjustable touring luggage. Price and market position. With its blend of power, luxury, and innovation, the 2025 BMW R1300 Titan positions itself in the premium sport touring segment, competing directly with motorcycles like the Honda Goldwing, Ducati Multistrada V4, and Yamaha FJR series. Early reports suggest a price starting around $24,000, with fully equipped models reaching close to $30,000 depending on customization. While it's not a budget motorcycle, it delivers unparalleled value in its category. Final verdict: the future of touring motorcycles. The 2025 BMW R1300 Titan is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of what modern sport touring machines can achieve. Combining raw boxer engine power, adaptive technology, luxury comfort, and premium German engineering, it sets a new benchmark for motorcycles worldwide. For riders seeking an uncompromised blend of touring capability, everyday usability, and cutting-edge innovation, the Titan isn't just an option, it's the future. Outro, Bike Zone Pro. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 BMW R1300 Titan. At Bike Zone Pro, we'll continue bringing you detailed reviews of the world's most exciting motorcycles. If you're passionate about two wheels, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.